Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page. First of all, open up Safari. As you can see, Safari isn't opening the page. So to fix this problem, open up the settings of your phone. Scroll down in Settings and click on Safari. Once you open up the Safari, tap on Advanced. From Advanced, click on Website Data. Now from here, tap to remove all website data. Once you remove the data from here, then click to clear history and website data. Tap to clear the history and close tabs. Now open up the Safari and search here google.com. As you can see, now it's working very well. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.